Think you know how to eat sushi? Think again. From drowning your sushi in soy sauce to using chopsticks the wrong way, most people are guilty of sushi sins without even realizing it. But don't worry, today, we're diving into real sushi etiquette straight from Japan. The right way to dip your sushi, how to use wasabi properly, why you shouldn't rub your chopsticks together. If you want to eat sushi like a pro and impress your Japanese friends, keep watching. First things first, how do you actually eat sushi the right way? Rule number 1. Use your hands. Yes, you can use chopsticks, but it's actually traditional to eat nigiri sushi with your hands. This keeps the delicate rice from breaking apart. Rule number 2. Flip your sushi before dipping. Most people dunk the rice side into soy sauce. Wrong. Flip it so the fish touches the soy sauce. This keeps the rice from absorbing too much liquid and falling apart. Rule number 3. One bite only. Sushi is made to be eaten in one bite. Breaking it apart or biting it in half? Big mistake. Pro tip. If a sushi piece is too big, tell the chef beforehand so they can adjust the size. Now, let's talk about wasabi and ginger. Two things most people get totally wrong. Wasabi mistake number 1. Mixing it in soy sauce. This is a huge no-no in Japan. Instead of making a wasabi soy sauce soup, let the chef apply the wasabi. It's already inside the sushi. If you need more, dab a small amount directly on the fish. Ginger mistake number 2. Eating it with sushi. Gari, pickled ginger, is not a topping, it's a palate cleanser. Eat ginger between different types of sushi to refresh your taste buds. Never put ginger on top of sushi. That's like putting ketchup on steak. Now, let's talk chopsticks, because a single mistake can make you look really rude in Japan. Mistake number 1. Rubbing your chopsticks together. You might think this removes splinters, but in Japan, it insults the restaurant by suggesting they serve cheap utensils. Just don't do it. Mistake number 2. Sticking chopsticks upright in rice. This looks like funeral incense and is considered extremely bad luck. Instead, always lay them flat on the chopstick rest or across your plate. Mistake number 3. Passing food from chopstick to chopstick. This resembles a Japanese funeral ritual, so if you need to share food, place it on a plate instead. Pro tip. If you're unsure about chopstick etiquette, just follow what locals do. Want to look like a sushi pro when ordering? Here's how. Eat sushi in the right order. Start with light fish, like snapper, then move to richer fish, like tuna and salmon, and end with stronger flavors, like eel or uni. Try omakase. This means chef's choice, where the chef selects the freshest sushi for you. It's the best way to experience top-quality sushi. Don't ask for extra soy sauce. The chef already balances the flavors, trust them. Pro tip. If you really enjoyed the sushi, say gochisusama deshita at the end. It's a polite way to say thank you for the meal. Now that you know the right way to eat sushi, will you try these etiquette tips next time? Comment below. If you love Japan travel, culture, and food hacks, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to Japan Hacks. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next insider guide. Thanks for watching.